right, lifestyle lovers, welcome back to ItsELifeStyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called ItsELifeStyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so part of having a good lifestyle for me is having clear, healthy skin and flawless makeup, honey. So this video is going to be a Sephora haul in which I am going to be sharing all of the items that I purchased from the Sephora sale. I am a VIB member, so I was able to get 15% off everything that I am going to share with you guys today. So let me just tell you, I had to have a technique when shopping for this sale. I think that I spent quite a bit during this sale. However, these are items that I am sure I will probably purchase sometime throughout 2021. So I saved money and I purchased them early. So pretty much my strategy for the Sephora sale was, number one, buying items that I know that I will possibly buy sometime during the year, which are my staple items. So those are the items that I'm going to share with you first. And so my second strategy was purchasing items that I have used before that I absolutely love. However, they were a little bit pricey. So this was the opportunity to get those items on sale. And so my third strategy was purchasing items that I have never tried before, but I've heard great things about these items, rave reviews, and this was my opportunity to purchase them at a 15% discount. So let's just start with my staple items. Okay, so all of my staple items that I purchased, which are items I use every time I do my makeup, they are items that I have on now. If I use these items today, then I'll do a side by side just demonstrating to you how I use them, how much I actually love them. The first item is the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. It was time for me to refill on my foundation. The last time I purchased one was, I think, when Fenty first came out, and I actually dropped the bottle. The only downside to this foundation is that it's made of glass. So I dropped the bottle. It did not break. However, the top pretty much got stuck. And now my pump won't work. But like I said, the last time I purchased some foundation was probably when it came out. So it was actually time for a new bottle. Let me see, does it have the... okay. So the lifetime is 12 months on this. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but on the back of makeup, you will see it looks like a little compact, and then it'll have a number on it. So the number is 12, so you should replace this particular foundation every year. So I'm actually behind. Another one of my staple products, which I have on today, is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. The color foundation that I am in is $3.85, and the concealer is also $3.85. And I also purchased a highlighting concealer, which also fell and broke because it's made of glass. Typically when I do my makeup, I do it in my bathroom, and my floors are like porcelain tiles. So if glass hits it, it's going to break. I just wish it was like a plastic container. However, this is the highlighting concealer that I use, and it is in the color 360, which is a few shades lighter than my actual concealer, which is $3.85. All of these items I have on my face today. I have been using these items. I absolutely love them. I've not used any other foundation since this was created. I absolutely love this. I am a creature of habit. If I find something and I love it, I pretty much stick with it. I absolutely love this. I will continue to buy this. So it just made sense for me to purchase these items because I use them every time I do my makeup. But now I'm pretty much stocked up. I don't think I probably will be needing any concealer anytime soon. And then I'm also good on my foundation. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to my next set of items. These are items that I had never tried before, but I actually wanted to try. I actually did a little bit of research and watched a few videos just to kind of find out what people were planning to buy during the Sephora sale, what particular skincare or beauty items that were actually getting rave reviews. So I decided to purchase 2 items that I have. It's actually 3. One is a skincare item. But I decided to purchase 3 items that I have never tried before, but I've been hearing some great things about. And the first one is the Blurring Skin Tint, made by Fenty, of course. And I have it in the color 14. And I determined this color based on my foundation color. You can pretty much enter what number you are in the Fenty foundation and it'll give you a match. Now, I did try this yesterday when I went into the office. I typically add a little bit of foundation to my face when I go into the office just to give myself a polished look. And I actually like it. It's very lightweight. It's that makeup. It's that, what do they call it? It's the makeup but no makeup look. So this is how it looks. I believe this is actually made of plastic, which I absolutely love because I'm always clumsy when it's time to do my makeup. So it is called the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. And it has a lifespan of 12 months as well. And so, as I stated, I used it yesterday when I went into the office. It's very, very lightweight. I absolutely love it. The only thing that I would probably recommend is if you have dark spots or blemishes, or you usually use concealer under your eyes, you may want to also use concealer along with this, because I noticed it did not give a lot of coverage under the eye area, which makes sense because it's very not lightweight. It's not meant for full coverage. I think it's if you want to have a little bit of coverage over your blemishes and just have your skin look a little bit more smoother and polished, but you don't want to have that full coverage makeup look. I definitely recommend it. I've only used it once, but as I stated, I love the look it gave. I would just recommend using concealer along with it. And I also needed some pressed powder. I typically use the Studio Fix made by MAC, but I dropped that and it broke. So I just decided to try the Fenty Beauty. It is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. It is in the color 385, and I also used this for the first time today. So pretty much after I did all my makeup, I went in and did a light coverage with the powder. This is pretty much how it looks. It has a mirror along with it, and then it comes with a sponge. So if I wanted to pretty much keep it in my purse and touch up my makeup if I'm out, I can use the sponge for that reason. But I pretty much use my powder brush to brush it. I pretty much use my powder brush to just do a finishing touch on my makeup. So another item that I've been absolutely hearing rave reviews about here on YouTube is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peeling, I'm not going to try to pronounce that, Formula Intense. It's basically a chemical at-home peeling treatment. And I've used it already. I've been using it pretty much since it came, and I believe it came on Monday. So it comes in a pack of 1 and 2 steps. The first one is the exfoliate and smooth. So you will rub that all on your face and then wait 2 minutes, and you go in with the anti-aging neutralizer. So I've pretty much been using this since it came. It is very expensive, but I do have some skin imperfections, and I will insert a clip so you guys can see the skin imperfections that just will not go away. They are very, very stubborn. So I am going to see if this works. I will definitely keep you posted. So I pretty much use this on days when I know I'm just going to be working from home. I'm not going to be going out or anything like that. I will advise you to pretty much use these at night or days when you know that you're pretty much going to be in the house. I did use this particular product a few days ago and I had a hair appointment. So pretty much anything that my stylist placed on my hair that touched my skin, it burned. It was burning. And she was asking me, and it was a few hours prior to when I used this, because I used this early that morning. So she pretty much asked me, she was like, what did you put on your skin? Because everything was burning. And I was like, I did like an at-home chemical peel. So that is the reason that I would advise, if you're going to use this, especially in the AM, just make sure it's going to be a day that you're going to be chilling around the house and not going out, or anything maybe touching your skin. I would even recommend not to use it if you're going out in the sun as well. You know, that's just my opinion, but I just think it's perfect to when you know that your skin is just going to be resting. Another item that I have never used before that I wanted to try, that I've been hearing rave reviews about, is actually the Fenty Fat Water Toner Serum. So this is pretty much the Fenty Skin Starter Kit. This is new. Rihanna just came out with this, and it comes with the cleanser, the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum, and the Invisible Moisturizer. All of these are like the trial size. Now I'm going to be honest, when I ordered this, I thought it was a lot bigger, just simply because this was $40. So when it came, I'm like, okay, $40, huh? So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, just simply because I've been buying a lot of skincare items lately, and I'm pretty much good on skincare. So I haven't decided if I want to keep it. I just felt like I absolutely love Fenty Beauty makeup. So if the skincare is as good as the makeup, then I may be a repeat buyer for the skincare as well. I'll keep you guys posted. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or take it back, but I just thought $40 was kind of expensive for the trial size, but we'll see. So moving on to the products that I absolutely love, that I have used before, but I know that they are kind of pricey, so this was my opportunity to get them and save some money. I did not have a mask, so I actually needed a new mask. The mask that I absolutely love to use is the Glamglow Supermud. I actually like the Youth Mud as well. I was really thinking about taking this one back and getting the Youth Mud. So the Youth Mud is the black container. So I don't know, I may kind of do my research to see the difference in the two and see which one that I may get the most benefits from. But I love this mask, but it's so expensive. So I don't buy it that often. I believe it's $60. I know I have found it in TJ Maxx before. So you can occasionally, well, it was Marshall's. I found it in Marshall's. So you can occasionally find these masks at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, places like that. But it's kind of, you know, it's kind of expensive for me to continuously buy it on a monthly basis or every month base. So I was able to get it and save a few coins, and I did not have a mask at all. I believe the last mask that I was using was the Teamy Blends mask, and I pretty much ran out of that. So I really needed to add a new mask into my skincare routine, and I absolutely love Glamglow. I have used them over and over again. I just don't buy it on a regular basis because it's an expensive routine. And another item that I absolutely love, it has been a part of my nightly skin routine for the last few weeks, and that is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. So I actually purchased, let me see, let me try to open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, child, I almost broke it. Okay, so this is a very, very small size that I purchased during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and I pretty much use it every night along with the Good Jeans. It works very well with the Good Jeans. So I went ahead and purchased a regular size bottle of it. I absolutely love it. It is a blue color. So it's the Sleeping Night Oil. So of course I only have to use it at night. I don't use it in the morning. It says it reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. And I am a woman over 40, so I definitely need to incorporate something into my both morning and night routine that's going to keep my skin looking as youthful as possible. Okay, lifestyle lovers, last but not least, I pretty much went back and forth to decide if I was going to order another fragrance because I just recently received 2 fragrances for my birthday and I purchased a bottle of perfume, so I don't think I necessarily needed one, but I still end up getting a bottle of perfume. So what I decided to go with was the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede, and this is actually a unisex scent. And I love the way it smells. I have the candle as well as the body cream. So I decided to just go ahead and grab the fragrance as well. I think I'll go ahead and spray it because I have not sprayed anything today. So let me see. What do I think of? It smells like a high-end store. I try to think of when I smell a fragrance, what is the first thing that comes to mind. So this to me just smells like a very high-end, expensive store that you walk into. Oh yeah. I was trying to decide whether I was going to keep, but I think I am going to go ahead and keep it. It's already here. I might as well. Yeah, that smells really good. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that's pretty much all that I picked up from the Sephora sale. I think that was enough. But I'm good on my skincare, I am good on my fragrances, and I'm good on my makeup. So those are things that I probably won't have to purchase anytime soon. I'm good on everything. I'll keep you guys posted on some of the new things that I purchased and how it is working and incorporated into my skincare and makeup routine. If you are considering any of these items, just make sure you do your research first. Everything does not work for everyone, so I don't want you to go out and spend your money and then you do not get the same results that I have got when using these items. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos and you enjoy watching videos like this, then maybe you should consider subscribing. I have a melting pot here on my channel. I have home decor. Right now I have some home renovations going on, so I have been vlogging and showing everyone the process on that. As you can see, I love beauty, I love skincare, a little bit of fashion, maybe a luxury unboxing every now and then. If you are interested in any or all of those things, then go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting on? It's all about creating a good lifestyle, whatever that may be. I always push that on my channel. Everybody's lifestyle is going to be different. What's important to them is going to be different. What's not so important to them is going to be different. But either way, we don't judge here. We just create the lifestyle that we want and we love. So that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have tried some of the new products that I purchased, let me know what your experience was on it. I would love to hear it. I love actual reviews on items. That's actually how I determine if I'm going to purchase an item, based on what other consumers' experiences are. I use that as a determining factor. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!